Hello students, welcome to the session of multiplication of decimal numbers exercise problem. Exercise 2.6, the first one, find 0.2 into 6. Actually now we are going to multiply the decimal number by a whole number. First we multiplied them as whole number, so ignoring the decimal point. Multiply the values directly. Then we counted the number of digits starting from the rightmost digit and move toward left, then put the decimal point there. Okay, what is our question? 0.2 into 6. First we have to ignoring the decimal point. Directly we have to take the value 2 into 6. So what is the answer? 12. Okay, then we counted the number of digits starting from the rightmost digit, that is only one value, and move towards left, then put a decimal point. So the answer is 1.2. The next value is 8 into 4.6. Same procedure only. First we have to ignore the decimal point. Directly we have to take 46 into 8. Multiply the values. 8 6 are 48, balance 4. 8 4 are 32. 32 plus 4, 36. Now we just count the decimal point. Actually number of digits starting from the rightmost digit. Here only one value only we are having. So we have to move the decimal point towards left. So the answer is 36.8. Next problem, 2.71 into 5. Ignoring the decimal point, directly take the value 271 into 5. Multiply the values. 5 ones are 5. 5 sevens are 35, 5, balance 3. 5 twos are 10, 10 plus 3, 13. Now we count the decimal point value. After the decimal point, how many digits here? 2 places. So we have to move towards left. 1, 2. So put a decimal point here. The answer is 13.55. The next problem, 20.1 into 4. Ignore the decimal point. Directly take the value 201 into 4. Multiply the values. 4 ones are 4. 4 into 0, 0. 4 twos are 8. Now count the value. After the decimal point, only one value is given. So we have to move the decimal point. Actually move towards left. Okay, so we have to put a decimal point here. So the answer is 80.4. That's all. Next problem. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. Here given values are length and breadth of a rectangle. We have to calculate the area of a rectangle. So take the value length of rectangle 5.7, breadth of rectangle, that is B value is 3 cm, L value is 5.7 cm. What is the area of a rectangle formula? Area of a rectangle is equal to L into B square units. Okay. What is our L value? 5.7. B value 3. First ignore the decimal point. Directly take the value 57 into 3. 7 3s are 21, 1, balance 2. 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17. Here count the decimal point actually. After the decimal point, only one digit value is given. So we have to move towards left. Okay, so put a decimal point here. The answer is 17.1 centimeter square. Next one, multiplication of decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. This is very important and easy also. Now we are going to multiply a decimal number using the number 10. What is our first question? Find 9.3 into 10. Ignoring the decimal point actually. 9.3 into 10 means directly we have to multiply 93 into 1. What is the answer actually? 9 3 only. When we multiply the ending number 0 means just the decimal point move one place right only. So we have to put a decimal point here, then add extra 1 0. After the decimal point, the 0 is no value, no. So directly we have to take 93. Okay. The next problem, here also same procedure, 36.8 into 10. Here only 1 0 is given. So we directly move the decimal point one place only. So the answer is 368.0. The next problem, 153.7 into 10. Actually this is decimal number. Now we are going to multiply using the number 10. Here 10 we have only 1 0. So the decimal point is move one place only. Okay, so 1537.0. This is no value, no. So directly we have to take 1537. The next problem, 168.07. Now again we are going to multiply a decimal number by 10. But after the decimal point, here 2-digit value is given, 0, 7 only. So only one place only after we have to move the decimal point. So 1680.7. Okay. And then we have to add 1 0, or that is not essential. Next one, 31.1 into 100. Now we are going to multiply using the number 100. So we have to move actually the decimal point 2 places. But after the decimal point, one value only given. So again we have to take another one value extra. So add the value 0. Now put a decimal point. Then we have to write 0. That is not essential because after the decimal point 0 is no value. So directly take a value 3110. Okay. The next problem, 156.1 into 100. Now after the decimal point we have only one value, but we are going to multiply the value using 100. In 100 we have 2 zeros. Actually the decimal point move one place only for 10. 100 means 2 places, but we don't have some value, no, so extra we have to take 1 0. So 15610 point we have to take 1 0. That is no value. Again directly we have to take 15610. This is the answer. Next problem, we are going to multiply a decimal number by a decimal number. For this also same procedure only. First we ignore the decimal point, directly multiply the values, then finally count the digit, then put a decimal point. Okay, directly take the value 25 into 3 because we ignore the decimal point. Multiply the value. What is the answer? 25 3s are 75 only. Now we counted the number of digits starting from the rightmost digit. Here we have one value, here also we have one value. So count the digit. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So move towards left, we have to put a decimal point. So 2 places only, no, here we have to put a decimal point. Before that we have to add 1 0. So the answer is 0.75. Okay. Next problem, 0.1 into 51.7. Directly take the value 1 into 517. What is the answer? 517. Count the number of digits starting from the rightmost digit. Here we have one value, here also we have one value. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So we have to move towards left. So how many places? 2 places. What is the answer for this? 5. Third subdivision, 0.2 into 316.8. First ignore the decimal point, directly take the value 3168 into 2. Multiply the values. The answer is 6336. Now count the decimal point. Here we have one value, here also we have one value. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So we have to move towards left only. So 2 places, no. So the answer is 63.36. Okay. The next problem, 1.3 into 3.1. Ignore the decimal point, directly take the value 13 into 31. So multiply the value 13 into 31. What is the answer? 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So what is the answer? 3 10 0 balance on 4. So the answer is 403. Here we have 1 point, here also we have 1 point. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So we have to move towards left 2 places only. So the answer is 4.03. The next problem, 0.5 into 0.05. Ignore the decimal point, directly take the value 5 into 5, 25. Now we count the number of digits starting from the rightmost digit. Here we have one value, here 2 values. So count the digit. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So we have to put a decimal point, no, so we have to move 3 places left side. So but we have 2 places only, 2 values only. So extra we have to add 1 0. So the answer is 0.025. That's all.